Stuck in a tight parking space and nowhere to turn, many new drivers give up after several attempts, but the problem usually isn't the lack of space, it's knowing how to use it. Let's look at the technique that makes it possible. Step 1. Assess the situation first. If there isn't enough room on the right side, don't try to steer out immediately. Doing so could cause the front right corner of the vehicle to hit the wall or another obstacle. Step 2. Keep the wheels straight and slowly reverse as far as possible. The goal is to move the vehicle farther back and create enough room for the next maneuver. This part is usually straightforward for most drivers. Step 3. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left and slowly move forward, bringing the vehicle as close as safely possible to the car on the left. This creates additional space on the right, which is essential for the next maneuver. Step 4. Next, turn the wheel fully to the right and continue moving forward. If there is still some room available on the left side, repeat the same process. By doing this, the rear of the vehicle gradually shifts to the left, creating more space on the right. Step 5. Now turn the wheel fully to the left and begin reversing slowly. At this stage, the most important thing is to monitor the front right corner of the vehicle. Make sure there is sufficient clearance from the wall or any obstacle ahead before continuing. Maintain full left lock and continue reversing slowly. Once about half of the vehicle has cleared the parking space, straighten the wheels and continue reversing. The front of the vehicle will naturally swing into position, allowing you to exit the parking space safely. When dealing with limited space, avoid rushing the maneuver. Take it one step at a time and always monitor your clearances. Smooth steering inputs and constant awareness of your surroundings are the keys to safely getting out of even the tightest parking situations.